Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review for you of a product that I have seen absolutely everywhere. Any social media that has adverts, Instagram, Facebook, what's the other ones? I have seen an advert for these, not just magnetic lashes, but magnetic liner with lashes. So the advert I saw was from this Instagram user, the Beauty Nova. So I kept coming across it, and I thought, you know, let me buy some. If you've ever seen my Instagram, I do makeup looks on there. And when I do them, I do maybe 3 in a row or 3 at a time. So putting on lashes and then peeling them off, gluing them on and peeling them off can become quite annoying and tedious. So I thought this is a really easy way to apply and take off lashes over and over again. And I just kind of wanted to see how they worked in general. Now I've had magnetic lashes before, and let me just say I did not get on with them. I thought they were a really bad idea. So the idea is it comes in a set, it comes with the lashes, the liner, and like a tool to help put the lashes on. So this liner is basically magnetic and the lashes stick to the magnetic liner. Pretty simple. That's how magnets work, that's science. So I went ahead and clicked the shop now link and it took me to their shop basically. So the description on their website of these lashes is pretty much very simple. A lash collection specifically for any woman or man looking for easy, natural looking eyelash solutions to set up their style with minimum makeup and effort. So a few of the benefits they claim on their website is that you need no glue or latex, which I think is pretty good. Some people are allergic to latex. The liner lasts all day. Apparently it's waterproof and windproof. I've personally never had my makeup come off with wind. It takes less than a minute to apply. This is what I'm very interested in, because with the magnetic lashes before, you had to play for a while and really kind of line them up. But magnets attract, so it was no. Luckily, there are some easy to follow instructions on their website, so I'll be using them as I go, although I think it will be pretty simple. So these retail at £24 here in the UK, and there are a few different styles to choose from. So you can go for classy lash, sassy lash, or flashy lash. I believe I got flashy, because I just thought they looked a little bit in between, too much and not enough, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna try these on and show you guys how it goes. Just before we get into that though, if you don't know who I am, my name is Robert. I'm a professional makeup artist, and it is my goal here on YouTube to help you become a pro yourself. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel. Okay. So this is the product here. It took me a very, very long time to come. A long time, to a point where I emailed them and was like, where's the tracking number? The product arrived like this, not in a very good state. The box is kind of battered up, and yes. And there is no mention of the Beauty Nova on this box, so the brand that I ordered it from, which got me to thinking something. So this package was delivered through China Post, and it took a very long time to come. So I kind of thought, let me go onto AliExpress or Wish, if you guys are familiar, it all comes from the same place, and just see if they are online there. They are online there, exactly the same product, for a very, very, very lower price. So when you order products from China, from AliExpress or Wish, it takes a long time to come because instant shipping or 3-day shipping can cost about £40 extra or $40 extra depending on where you are. So that's why this took a long time to come. If you guys aren't familiar with something called drop shipping, let me just explain it to you very quickly. So you can set up a business where you drop ship. So say for example, I wanted to sell eyelashes. I would set up a website with a list of all these eyelashes. All these eyelashes will actually be from AliExpress. So I'll take the pictures and I'll put them on my website, and then whoever orders from me, I then order from AliExpress, and then AliExpress then send it to the person. And you'll notice that the prices on AliExpress are very different from the website because you need to make a profit. That's what dropshipping is. A lot of companies do it. I understand people need to make money, but I would rather pay £6 myself if it's gonna come in a battered up box like this. So I do have a few concerns with this product trying it on, but I feel like maybe they won't be as easy as it says on the website. My experience with magnetic lashes before has been crap, so we'll see. So I'm kind of expecting these lashes to maybe not get as close to the lash line. I think I just spat. To not get as close to the lash line as maybe strip lashes would, because I feel like once it's stuck as a magnet, it might be a little bit hard to drag it down unless you pinch together. But, you know, fine, whatever. So let's take a look at the liner itself. It looks really, really dark. There's no real smell. It actually kind of smells like baby powder and alcohol. And it's actually really, really dark in color. I actually thought because it's magnetic that it would be gray. I don't know why I had that in my mind. The brush itself is quite thick. I personally maybe wouldn't use that. I might use a different brush, my own maybe thinner brush, but maybe it needs to be that thick for that much product. Now I did see online that some people were saying that you need 2 layers of this liner, so I think we'll try it with 1, then try it with 2 and see how we go. I'm not gonna apply any other product. I'm not gonna put on mascara or anything like that. The only thing I have on my lid at the moment is Painterly Paint Pot by MAC, and that's pretty much it. So let's get right into my face here and let's try these lashes on and let's see, will it be successful? Will it be bad? Will it be just me? Let's see. So here we are in my face. I'm experimenting with a new foundation today. Yeah, it looks very cakey and strange, but it's all about the lashes. So let's get straight into it, shall we? Let's grab this liner. Honestly, I'm a little bit scared. I never really buy like makeup from AliExpress or Wish or anything like that because I feel like it will damage your skin. It's actually quite easy to move, like it glides very nicely. I wish the applicator was a little bit longer. I'm kind of getting like a lot of product on my lashes because it's so small. So one thing I'm noticing as I try to go over again is it's getting quite like a sticky feel to it. So I don't know if I need to wait for it to dry and then apply another layer. This is gonna sound really weird, but I can't tell if it's burning or not. I think my mind is telling me it should burn. So I'm getting like this like tingle feeling from it. But yeah, that's fine. Let's let that dry and then we'll go ahead and try and stick a lash on. Now I've applied the liner, to me it just feels like a normal liquid liner. So now I'm a little bit like, I don't see how this would work, really. If we look at the lash, it kind of has like these little magnets ever so often across the actual rib itself. Yeah, the lash is quite soft. It's actually quite a nice lash. One thing I'm very surprised about though, it is completely pitch black. And I actually quite like a liner with that kind of painted finish. I don't like it to dry out and go gray. I'd rather it stay pitch black. And that's pretty much what it's done. Because it is so shiny though, I can't actually tell whether it's dry or not. So I'm just gonna give it a little tap. Okay, so I feel dry, I think. I usually put my lashes on with my fingers. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and just see what happens. Ooh. The rib is very easy to move. What? It's so weird, you can feel it sticking and grabbing onto the liner itself. Oh, I need to move those across a little bit. It's completely stuck. Oh, actually, maybe not so much on the inside here. So that wasn't really any more difficult than applying lashes with glue. I feel like I would put on a bit of mascara, of course, but I just didn't want any more product. When I pinch here, I can actually feel the magnet is sticking to the liner. And this style I'm not very fond of, where it's really heavy on the outside corner. I feel like also as well, the magnets are actually moving the shape of a liner. It's gone very wavy and weird, and it keeps coming away here as well. Okay, let's try another layer of a liner and see if that helps. Oh, you can actually see it. I don't know if you can see it. Here, there's a gap. Hope you can see that. It looks like the liner's come off. Maybe it's stuck to the magnet. Oh, okay, so there's another layer of that liner. Let's wait for that to dry and see if we have any more luck. Okay, let's have another go. Let's try and get this on. I'm going to start from the outside corner like I would my false lashes. I do feel like I have to keep readjusting the lash row, and this liner's definitely not fast drying. That's the one thing it's not. So looking at the claims on the website, it takes less than a minute to apply. It says it doesn't make the eyelid sticky, which is true actually. However, the actual liner itself is sticky. It's almost like a wet finish, like wet look, but sticky finish. And I just keep looking at it because I feel like the middle is gonna come away. I'm gonna try and tip them up a little bit. They're actually lasting pretty well. Now I've done 2 layers, I actually think they're really good. I'm gonna try and blink close. No, they're pretty set, and I actually feel like normal. You know when you put an eyelash on it, it's a little bit heavy? It feels like that. So I'm not mad at the actual finished look. I actually think it's fine, and the feel of it is absolutely fine. I feel like if I had done 2 layers of a liner in the first place and then put the lash on, it would have been a lot quicker. However, also I'm looking at the liner and it's almost as though the magnet has pulled away at some of the liner, and it's giving me this really dodgy, uneven finish. And in some areas before, a little bit patchy. All right guys, so that is the magnetic liner and magnetic lashes. Overall, I'm actually kind of okay with this. I think it's all right. I think it's fine. I am gonna try and take it off on camera as well, remove it, see how easy it's to remove with my normal makeup remover. And in terms of the lash as well, peels off absolutely fine. So I have a cleansing balm here that I use to remove my makeup. I just have a little bit on a cotton pad, and I'm just gonna see how easy it is to remove this liner. One of their claims is it's easy to remove, so let's see. Get that balm on there. It kind of just rolls off in like chunks. You could probably like peel that off, you know. It'll be great to see these lashes in maybe a more minky kind of style rather than that heavy on the outside. And the liner's actually pretty good. I actually quite like the liner. I think it's all right. I thought I was gonna hate this product. I'll be 100% honest with you. I thought it's some cheap crap from AliExpress, but honestly, I'm actually really, really impressed. I'm really, yeah. I will use these again. I'll use these when I'm doing makeup on myself for Instagram, just to peel off and peel back on again. Yeah, I'm not mad, guys. I actually think it's okay. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know if you ever tried these or magnetic lashes. And if you haven't, would you try these for £6, $6 on AliExpress? And like I said, guys, please consider subscribing, liking this video, do whatever you need to do. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you very soon.